Kurt, this happened to me once before, and you know what? I just put everybody in a really fast car.
Well, that might have worked for your band, but I'm not sure if it'll work for our band.
There's only a certain amount of space on the other side.
Welcome to GM's all the way in and a everybody. Please don't turn the lights off.
Electric Mayhem, we should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What's happening? Big Bob.
What?
What's happening?
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed. We've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we were late?
But Miss Piggy.
And that is how you stall a show. They couldn't get enough of one. I mean, who even needs the mayhem now?
You were a revelation. She was an unmitigated disaster.
I heard that.
I don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The mayhem will be there.
Good.
Though I have no idea. Dr. Honeydew?
Oh, excuse us. Beaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced limo,
Hey,
actually.
how fast can I get the band here?
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
You got a minute and a half. Woo! Okay, you should get going.
What about all of
You
them?
know how we feel about our band.
All right, how about backstage passes for everyone?
Yeah! Backstage passes.
Come on, gang. We got places to be and people to rock.
Congratulations on those backstage passes. Ahead right on down the alley. Muppet Labs Automotive Labs. VIP for the concert.
Stage passes. All right, VIPs. Head to the back alley to load up.
Well, time is relative. Anyway, let's do this for concert.
We're just getting started. It's about that time to tune your mind. Hang out, hang on, because we're about to get wild. concert reminds me of a roller coaster. How's that? It's all downhill.
Hey, you made it! Go ahead, grab your things, exit to the right.
Alright! Hey gang, we got a spectacular delivery for you. From across the pond, slip quickly to your ears, may we introduce to you Def Leppard! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Reminds me of a roller coaster. How's that? It's all downhill.
Hey, you made it! Go ahead and grab your things and exit to the right. Oh, enjoy the show!
5, 4, 3.
Get my phone is flying out of the